Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DoorDash for Business easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with DoorDash for Business, start by visiting the DoorDash website. Look for the DoorDash for Business section on the homepage. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with a sign-up form. Fill in your business name in the designated field. Enter your business email address for communication. Create a password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the appropriate field. Provide the phone number associated with your business. Select your business type from the drop-down menu. Next, input your business address to connect your location. Review the terms and conditions of the service. Once you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Sign Up button to submit your registration. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the DoorDash for Business site once your email is verified. Log in using your email and new password. Complete your business profile by adding any additional information requested. Set up your payment method for billing purposes. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and available features. Once everything is in place, you are ready to start using DoorDash for Business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.